Hey pig, yeah? Do you know my something else? Nope. Yeah, here's a... Do you hear something? Nope. Is it just the music? Maybe. What's the music? Where is that noise coming from? You know what? Wait, it must be the air. Air? Yeah, let's check. I'm gonna check it over there. Hey, you go over there. Okay, let's go over there. So yeah. Okay, pig. I need the good news and bad news. Okay, you go check it over there, right? Okay, I will check. Oh, what is it? You check up there. What is it? I will check. Okay, almost there. Almost. Okay. Is that a squid? Oh, this is a squid. This not good. Oh my God! It's a squid. This is not good. Not good at all. This is a new character. You better. Hey guys, my name is Pig, and thanks for watching. There's a trailer. It's called like Angry Birds and the Squid Splatoon proper coming soon. And yeah, subscribe like this button and turn on the comic. And you see this music? It's called Jam. He made a music copyhead or Dead Least. Mr. Subscribe that guy. He's a music copyhead. So yeah, so coming soon, and Angry Birds and Squid Splatoon problem. Coming soon, alright? It's come out on Saturday, okay? Saturday we're gonna do the characters on Saturday, okay? So yeah, thanks for watching, and subscribe us, and subscribe GM, subscribe him, and subscribe us. But Alexander will change the photo and the subscriber. So yeah, I think like June 9, I think. So yeah, thanks for watching. So bye bye. Subscribe that guy. Bye bye.